channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how to refresh synthetic curls. I've had a lot of experience with synthetic curls, and this is what I've kind of learned over time to do when you have them. The first thing I would say is try not to put too much water on synthetic curls. Over time, the hair will start opening up and tangling up even more. So, and also when you're doing your hair, try to buy the right length so you don't have to cut it, because the minute you cut synthetic curls, they end up doing this. I sound groggy. I don't know, flu symptoms, but anyway. So this is how the hair's looking. I'll show you guys the before, and this is what I'm dealing with. So let me take it out. You guys see that? You see that? Tangles everywhere. Okay, so sometimes I ask my husband to help me with the back area because that's a little harder, but just for this video I'm going to do like mainly the front. All right, is mousse, a little bit of water, and scissors. Okay, so the first thing you want to do with synthetic curls is lift them up and try to find all the areas where there's a lot of tangling. I need my glasses for this because I can't really see. Like a lot of tangling. So when you lift it up and you see all that, those are the areas that you want to go in with the scissors and cut. Okay, so you want to do that for almost all of the hair. So like the back is a little harder, so I'm not even going to focus on that right now. I'm just going to do the front areas because they're easy for me to see. Okay, so you want to do that, right? So as you can see, when you lift this up, there's one right here. So you want to go with your scissors and cut it. Take out the next area, go in, look for all the tangling, and cut them. Because trying to pull all of this out is really difficult, and you're going to find yourself just really messing up the hair more. Okay, so I'm going to do this off camera a little bit so I can kind of show you guys. But yeah, there's one right here. This is tangling mess. So you want to do that and take it out. The front is not as bad because I added some newer ones, but yeah, see that right there? All that, you want to cut it. The ones that I could. So it's a little bit better. It's not as stuck in the back. And I did the front as well. And then what I'm going to do is take a little bit of spritz. Do not pull, because if you do this, the hair is going to tangle more. So you just want to scrunch. Just scrunch. And if you see anything still tangled, you just go in with the scissors and cut it. So that's all you're doing, just scrunching. Okay, and then here you can do a little bit, one of these. Okay, just go in and okay. And then I'm going to use my other mousse a little bit and just do the same thing. So this one is more watered down. This one is more whipped, and this one is more watered down. So I kind of do both and just crunch, because before I used to pull everything and it would get so tangled. And also you could use, I believe, fabric softener to do the same thing. So you guys can see it's kind of molding and looking way better. So I'm going to go back again with my scissors, and anything that I see that's like poking out, I'll just go and cut them. See that? So if I see anything, I just go back and, you know, clip. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead with a soft brush and fix my edges a little bit. So that's all you want to do. And then because I'm graying so much, I get a little bit of a mascara. The mascara here, I bought it just for this. I go in and just anything that's gray, you know, I'll just do that. Especially this area, I always see a lot of gray, so I do that. Okay, do that. And then I'll use my Got To Be gel and take some and just go on to my edges. So this helps everything stay down. It gives like a hard hold, so you want to do that. This is pretty much my routine almost every morning, but I also make sure to sleep with a bonnet. That's important. Okay, guys, so